Thought I would take advantage of this sunny January day to talk about why I absolutely love growing green onions. Now, at least here in zone 6, used to be 6A, but when they redid the zones in November 2023, we did switch to 6B. But we're able to grow them year round without any cover. So that means they can take the really extreme heat that we've been having in our summers, but they can also take the extreme cold. And our winters have been getting super cold, especially the last 2 years. A few weeks ago, we were down into, -12, -13 for many days. And no matter what the weather, the green onions are fine. Sometimes they don't look fabulous, but you just peel off that outer layer and then usually they are totally fine. These are the green onions that I planted. These are from last fall. Okay, I peeled one layer off outside. So there's really not a whole lot of peeling off I have to do. This is actually two green onions growing really close together. So to me, green onions are one of the crops where if you've only got space to grow a few, they're one of the best things to grow just because you can have them year round. They're easy to grow. You can direct seed them. You can start them inside if you want. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and consider subscribing. Thanks. See you next time.